cracker.
Okay, Connor's going to try to attempt Dad's feat of machining a cheesy, only doing a cracker. Looks like a futile attempt, but he is trying. I'll give him credits. Pretty pathetic, but not too aggressive. He might be Dad's boy. Kind of snot-nosed.
Oh my gosh, it's almost perfectly circle.
Oh, I don't think Brett and Crackers would ever have been so proud. There's no accomplishment in life like machining a cracker. Well, I'll tell you, there's not many people that could do it. I'll tell you, Gary Whittaker would go through a whole sleeve before he could get one right.
I'll put this on YouTube.
And even then, he would probably bring it down to me and say, "Can you weld it for me, young fella?"
I'll put this on YouTube. Mom might not like it.
Danny Scott would say, "I was here with a runny nose for 6 months. Well, you took 2 days off. I took all my sick days, and I was still here while everybody machined their crackers."
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Let's have a look at it.
I'm going to the kettle.
Let's have a look. Come on.
Come on.
What is the holdup, Dave Robinson? Oh, I gotta polish it first. Wax it. Get it with glass clean.
Perfectly circle. Oof.
You know what? I'm pretty impressed.
You should eat
That's
it
a
now.
perfectly round Bratton cracker.
Want to try cough drop?
No, not right now. Look at me, bud. Say, I'm Connor, and I machined a cracker.
I'm Connor, and I machined a cracker.
Attaboy!